My hair was okay when I came 5 years ago to Dubai, but I think there's water, stress, late night work, then the male pattern baldness started.
So I'm sure you must have tried a lot of treatments.
Curry leaves and make some oil of yourself. I used to ask my wife to make that oil, and she used to massage my hair, and then she used to just see her hands, it's full of hair. Then I felt that hair transplant is the only permanent solution. I also started contacting people in Turkey. I almost finalized it. Their plan is to only finish it off in one day. There'll be like 4 to 5 patients operated at the same time.
Oh.
It was only the front area. Now, if I need to do the back area, again I need to fly to Turkey again. All these medications which they are giving, everything had minoxidil. I said no. I took a step back, and that's when my wife was saying that she usually follows Ranveer's Be a Bicep show. Yeah. I saw Dr. Abhishek. So why don't I come and check over here in Ashore and talk about Turkey, what they do and all that. But he said we can do better. It was a hybrid model. I'll be doing the transplant in Bangalore, and post-care can happen here in Dubai.
Taking the right step at the right time is very important.
Then you are set for life. You don't have to do anything.
So I think the transplanted hair are equally healthy and in a great, quick, fast hair cycle as well.
I have got a lot of compliments from people who have told me that, this really worked for you. You look a lot different. You look a lot younger.
This was more of a birthday gift for yourself for your 40th birthday, I can say.
There is no issues at all, no hair fall, nothing's coming in my head, even if I wash my hair. So I'm happy.